Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Windsurf coding program on your Windows computer. Whether you are on Windows 10 or 11, you can easily download this program and install it on your personal computer or desktop and start using it. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So to get started, open any browser of your preference and then just search for Windsurf. That is the correct spelling. And if I search, you'll be taken to this official Windsurf website, which is windsurf.com. Click on it to open this coding platform. Now here you have an option to download this for Windows, and you can see it is already available here. So this is one of the best program with AI capabilities for coders and developers. Now to get it, click on download for Windows, and whether you are on Windows 10 or Windows 11, it will establish your system and begin the download. As you can see, the download is already in progress here. However, if that download didn't start, then you might want to give it some few seconds. But if it fails, then you'll have to click here if your download completely didn't start. And the good news is you can download without even logging in. Once the download is done, now click on the folder containing the setup file. You can see it is here. And if I click on it, I'll be taken to the file setup location where you can begin extracting the setup files and installing it on my Windows computer. So I'll go ahead and double click on this file to run the setup wizard. Here, accept the agreement by choosing I accept the agreement, and you can read through the license agreement. Then continue by clicking on next. Choose the file location, or you can just leave it to the default one. Then click on next. And we're told, and by default, a shortcut will be created. However, you can choose not to create a start menu folder for this. And here we are asked to select a start menu folder. So you can choose any by browsing here. But for my case, I'll leave it as it is. If you don't want to create a start menu folder, you can check this box. So it is recommended, just leave it as it is. And then click on next. Here you can now choose to create a desktop icon. This is very important. You don't want to always search for your program each and every time you want to launch it. So I'll check on this. And also we have other options here. You can go through them and read, but the most important one is this. Click on next to proceed, and finally confirm by clicking on install. So this will begin preparing the setup files on your computer and finally begin the installation process. So while all this is happening, don't close this window. Wait until it is done. As you can see, this doesn't take much time, and within no time, the installation is done and the shortcut is now being created, as you can see here. And now the installation is done here. You can now launch automatically if you check on this. So go ahead, click on finish and launch at the same time. And now, as you can see, Windsurf is ready for use. So that's how you can install Windsurf on your Windows computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.